Hello, Facebook and YouTube. This is Cooking with Mrs. O and Kingdom Barbecue Catering Mrs. O on YouTube. You guys on Facebook, go check me out on YouTube at Kingdom Barbecue Catering Mrs. O. Anyway, I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope you guys are ready for Friday. It is supposed to rain here in Texas. But all that jibber jabber, I'm going to try to make it short. Today I'm going to do a Thanksgiving side that we loved. My mom did it all the time. I do it. I even do it not on holidays. We're going to do creamed corn. Yes, everybody like corn. Everybody like it creamed. But I'm not going to go with the fresh corn on the cobs. We're going to do a bag of frozen corn. And we're going to do a can of cream corn. We're going to put bacon in it. We're going to put onions in it. And it's going to be delicious. Also, I want to thank all of my new subscribers. And thank my ride or die. You guys rock, rock, rock. Okay, y'all ready? All right, let's get this train on the track. Okay, Royal Family, here are our ingredients. I have a 16-ounce bag of super sweet white corn we're going to use. I have an onion, but we're going to use very little of that, maybe 1/4. Also, a bell pepper. This is a tricolored one again because it was on sale. And we're going to use butter. We're going to use some heavy whipping cream. We're going to use what size is this? 14-ounce can of sweet corn cream style. All right, don't forget that. We have black pepper. We have salt. And did I tell you we have bacon, which you really can't see it because I have it wrapped up. But any type of bacon is fine, all right? And we have some sugar. So what you're going to do, you're going to get you a pot and you're going to fry your bacon. Fry it crispy, okay? Don't leave it half wobbly. You need to fry it really crispy. Then, once you fry your bacon, you're going to take your bacon out and drain some of the grease off of it. I'm going to say leave a tablespoon of bacon fat in there. Then we're going to saute our onions and our bell peppers. Then I'll show you, once I do that, what we'll come back and do. Okay, Royal Family, I cooked my bacon and I just put it in here. You see how crispy that is? Let me show you. You don't want it soggy in any way. All right, I need to watch my cook the bacon. And I used, see, that is fresh bacon that I just crisped up and I just chopped into little fine pieces. All right, so I used a tablespoon of the bacon fat. And we're just going to saute the bell pepper and onion just slightly. Don't put anything on high, all right? And while this is sauteing, we're going to go ahead and open up our cream style corn. And make sure you guys, you wipe the lid off of your cans, please. Because when I tell you, they hit the floor, they roll around. So just make sure you wipe your cans off, especially the top where you're using the can opener. All right. So this sauteed probably, I'm gonna give it 1 more minute. And this is on a low. We don't want anything high to burn the bell pepper or the onion. Okay. I've gotten my can of cream corn open, and what I'm going to do is pour it in. Now, I like it creamy, but I like more corn kernels than I do the cream. So it just depends on what you like better, all right? Okay, this is what we're going to do. Now I'm going to use the frozen corn. I like frozen corn. I don't really like the canned corn for the cream corn. I mean, that's just my preference, but you could actually use whole kernel canned corn. Just make sure you drain off the juice, okay? So I used almost all this bag right here. And it was a 16 ounce, so I used about 13 ounces of it. Okay, we're going to stir this up. See that? Okay. I'm sorry, you guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the whole bag. So I want you guys to see this. Because I love me some cream corn. All right, let's just stir this around. You see it's still on low. Now we're going to add our sugar. So you're going to do the sugar according to your preference. I honestly like maybe a third a cup of sugar. So we're going to add to it. I know. I like some sweet corn, baby. Next, we're going to add the black pepper. I like black pepper too. And I'm going to say just a half a teaspoon of salt. Whoa, that was not a half a teaspoon, hot dog. Okay, here's a half a teaspoon of salt. Let's add our butter. And then we're just gonna let this cook slowly for about 10 minutes. That's all it's gonna take is 10 minutes. Go ahead and cover it. You know, most of the time I say don't cover it. Please cover this, okay? So here is our butter. And you can also taste to see if it's sweet enough. Now I might have overdid it, you guys, so you know. And next what we're going to add is our heavy whipping cream. All right, shake it up. And we're going to pour it in here. It's going to be nice, buttery, creamy. Stir it up. And let this cook on low for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are done. And all I'm going to do, wow, don't that look amazing? All I'm going to do is add the bacon bits inside of the corn. Oh my, oh my, oh me, oh my. All right, I'll be back in 10 minutes. And when I do, I will show you the finished product and the presentation of our holiday cream corn. Okay, Royal Family, here is the final presentation and the product of the cream corn for the holidays. When I tell you guys, this rocks, and instead of using a half a teaspoon of salt, use a teaspoon of salt, and it balanced out so well. Woo! I done kind of had me a small bowl, so, you know, shh. Don't tell no one. But okay, I'm going to show you. Now, this is the only time I would say if a person or an individual like it a little thicker, they can go ahead and use a slurry. I personally don't like cornstarch slurries, so I use a little flour and cold water. But I like the creaminess of it, you know, and when it get on your dressing, you got that corn and that little juice running from the corn, and whoo, Lord, I'm making myself hungry. But all right, you guys, look at this. Look. Hold on. Look at that. And I added the bacon on the inside of it. Oh my Lord. It is so delicious. And then for presentation, just add you some more bacon on top, a little green onion, and voila. And make sure you serve it in a beautiful casserole dish for your Thanksgiving table. But all right, you guys, that's all I have for today. But I am going by the store tomorrow to see if I can find that dessert that I want you guys to put on your Thanksgiving table this year. God bless you. Stay safe. If you like my content, please share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. God bless you.